My Picture Adventure.
Hello curlies! Today is a very special day. My daughter has her ballet recital and we are getting her all glammed up with a beautiful hairband. Her baby sister wandered over and sat down beside us like she wanted to be part of the moment too. It was such a sweet little sister moment and I couldn't help but smile. But moving on to hair, we started this hairstyle the night before by washing the hair and putting it into tiny braids. This helped stretch out the curls and made the hair way easier to manage the next day. Now it's the morning of the recital, and after taking out all tiny braids, it was time to start brushing. Her curls were soft and stretched from the braids, which made them much easier to work through. I always take my time here, starting at the ends and working my way. I use a brush that's a combination of boar and nylon bristles. It's my favorite brush to use when I'm working with stretched curls. The combination of those two types of bristles in this brush really helps to stretch the curls. Once I got everything smooth and detangled, I moved on to slicking it back. But instead of using gel, I reached out for my favorite styling stick. It gives control without the stiff or crunchy look. I wanted her band to feel polished but still look natural and soft. Once I applied the styling stick, I went back in with a brush to smooth everything even more. The stick gave just the right amount of hold, and brush over it helped distribute the product evenly and really lay her hair flat.
I wake up in the morning with curls all in a daze. Twist and turn, they poppin'. Curly hair's the craze. Bouncing like a ball, so light. Spinning wild and free. With every curl I say, that's right. Just look at me, look at me. I love my curly hair. The curly fun it brings. Yeah. Love your hair.
Once her hair was smooth, I pulled everything up into a high ponytail and I secured it with a hair elastic.
Every curl's a twisty treat. Spiral twirls and loops. My head's a bouncy wonderland. Join the curly troop. I love my curly hair. The curly fun it brings. Yeah. Love your hair as I love mine. Curls are super things. Hey now.
Then I added a hair donut to the base of the ponytail to give the bun the perfect round shape. I wrapped another elastic around the donut to hold it in place nice and tight. I wanted to make sure the donut is very secured because she will be dancing on a stage. Once the band was in place and the second elastic was secured, I started pinning everything down. This part is where the band really comes together. It always takes a lot of patience. I gently wrapped those curls around the base of the donut and I used bobby pins to tuck them in, one section at a time.
Curls are super things. Hey now. Curly curls we celebrate. Bounce and dance, a swirl. Loving all our curly mates. Come on now, it's our world. Hey now.
I always try to use pins that match her hair color so they blend in nicely.
I wake up in the morning with curls all in a daze. Twist and turn, they poppin'. Curly hair's the craze.
If a piece pops out, Don't stress it, just tack it under and pin it again. This doesn't have to be perfect up close. It just needs to stay put on stage.
That's right. Just look at me, look at me. I love my curly hair.
I like to pin bobby pins into the bun for extra security, especially for recital days when there is lots of movement.
Love your hair.
She will be spinning, jumping, twirling, so I'm just using enough pins to make sure the bun stays in place.
Every curl's a twisty treat. Oh yeah. Spirals, twirls, and loops.
I always add a few extra pins just for a peace of mind during the performance.
I love my curly hair. The curly fun it brings. Yeah. Love your hair as I love mine. Oh yeah. Curls are super things. Hey now.
I'm adding extra hair wax.
Celebrate. Oh yeah.
A tight, sleek bun gives her that confident, polished stage look. It's just a part of the whole moment.
I love my curly hair. Woo. The curly fun it brings. Yeah. Love your hair as I love mine.
Once the bun was secured, I moved on to her edges. I wanted them to look smooth but still soft, not too sculpted.
Loving all
I took a little bit of edge control cream and I gently brushed it in with a small edge brush. It helped to lay everything down neatly without making it look too stiff. Just perfect touch to frame her face. And for the final touch, I will give a good mist of a shine spray to make everything look smooth, finished, and the recital ready. Nothing too heavy, just enough to make a sparkle under those recital lights.
spinning wild and free.
She was excited to see the finished look, and I also loved how it turned out. Very soft and elegant.
Just look at me, look at me.
Thank you for watching us get recital ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial and love mom and daughter hair days, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family fun. And to my little ballerina, dance your heart out today. Mommy is so proud of you.
Curls are super things. Hey now. Every curl's a twisty treat. Oh yeah. Spirals, twirls, and loops. My head's a bouncy wonderland. Join the curly troop.